Welcome to the Cryptoteacher. And guys, this is going to be a quick video. Please like and subscribe. We're going to go over some important information today. Basically, we have, of course, Tether. Now, that's going to be the first thing I'll talk about. Now, Tether USDC coin. Don't forget that these coins are paying 30, 40, 50, 60% interest. Who do you think is paying that interest? It's going to be you guys. So that's another thing I started to think about. That's another thing that we have to look out for, because that's just like shorting. So when these time periods are up, because remember you have to have it locked up for 1, 2, 3 months. When that time period is up and they need to pay, of course they're going to drop that coin. So therefore, they can pay it out. So, guys, we have to also keep an eye on Tether, because as we can see, anytime Tether drops for a certain amount of hours, Bitcoin increases. Same thing with XRP now. So Tether and XRP right now is pumping Bitcoin with BitMEX swaps and USDC. And also we have the G720. Of course, it looks like Japan is wanting to put cryptos on the table so it can be talked about. But just like I said, this is all rigged, this is all planned. So basically, regulation is definitely coming this summer. Also, one important thing that we need to watch out for is Ripple and COINBASE executives have created a market, well, basically it's called Market Integrity Group, and is basically Ripple and COINBASE top executives to make sure that the crypto space is regulated properly. Now we know that Ripple and COINBASE is not going to make sure that happens, because basically they're owned by the big corporations. So that's another group that we want to make sure we keep an eye on, because they're going to push the regulations that they want to make sure that they're successful. And guess what? That's where we're going to make sure we put our money at. But definitely that group there is going to be very powerful. Don't forget that Ripple has an office now in DC. So it's all coming together. We can clearly see it. But those are just the topics that I wanted you to watch out for, because this is February. So basically, we only have 2 more months before the halving, and that's when we're going to start seeing us go up, like an elevator. So we're going to slowly go up, but we are going to be going up. The bull market is about to return. But that's all I have for you. Guys, please like and subscribe. Don't forget, I have the book Cryptoteacher on Amazon. Also, you can go to btcteacher.com to get the book and also learn more about crypto. And then I have the links below: Binance, COINBASE, and Bitrue to get your coins, Robinhood to get your chip stocks or whatever stocks you're interested in. But don't forget, everything is going to have a chip in it. And you have a wonderful day.